Hi everyone, in this video I want to show a quick setup demonstrating audio visualization in Houdini. As it turns out, audio visualization in Houdini is very easy using a chop network. In this example, I'm using Copernicus to generate a procedural image with a circle, and I'm drive basically the radius of the circle using audio signal. Let's take a look at the final result. Right, as you can see, it works and it kind of syncs with the audio. In order to output the animation sequence, you don't need to set up any manual rendering, just use a drop image load and select the target frame and give it output file, and you can render to disk or render to mplay. Here I render to mplay, and you can see that's pretty much the result we want, and you can save it, right? So that is the setup on the Copernicus side. Here we use a ramp and the equalizer to drive everything to the average, and then a remap load to do a threshold on the threshold value. The actual animated channel is the goal average channel, and here I'm using a motion FX chop network inside the Copernicus network, and here what I'm doing is just reading a file. If we go to the motion FX view, you can see that's the result we have. So I'm reading a file. That's the input file that has two channels, and then I'm doing an envelope. So the envelope is set to have a specific width, and envelope bounds by the signal power. You can change this one to make the result smoother or more detailed. And then here I'm just selecting one of the channels as the input. The output of the envelope contains two channels. If you middle mouse click, you can see it contains both the envelope itself and the original signal. So we are deleting one of the signals by using a delete load. That way we get a clean signal ranging from 0 to 0.5. Because it's a bit small, I'm doing a mask node to just add a 0.5 to it. And finally we use the export load to the equalizer and target the goal average pass. Yeah, that's the setup. Thank you for watching.